Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are packing for a short winter trip. I want to show you how I pack, and I work best with compartmentalization, so you can see the use of packing cubes and a lot of different pouches to keep everything together. Let's start first with my tops. Since it's just a 6-day trip and I want to save space for shopping, I'm just going to keep it very minimal to a couple of sweatshirts, but some heat tech innerwear as well to keep me warm. For the bottoms, I'm going to wear one leggings over, but I've packed two denim stretch leggings in, sweatpants, and also additional heat tech leggings as well. Now, I love my clothes to smell great all the time, so I have a cotton pad, an essential oil, and a clean mask. And what I'm going to do is take a couple of dabs, put it on that cotton pad, fold it into that mask, and just use the ear loops to bind everything together. Put it together with all my fresh clothing, and everything smells great for a long time. Next, we're going to look into the toiletries, and I've got body, hair care, and oral care all grouped in together. But just want to point out a couple of products that I really like, and one of them has got to be Black Sabbath by Lush. This is whitening, but it also has this less minty effect, which really helps a lot with my acid reflux. It's in this jelly-like consistency, which I love to carry around. I've also got these two hair serums by Thailand. Obviously, these bottles are too big for travel, so I put them into these smaller bottles, and what they do is that one is really moisturizing and the other one really helps with hair fall. I've seen such a noticeable difference with my hair after using them. The last thing, my toiletry bag that I want to point out is a Laneige sleeping lip mask, and I just pop this on overnight, chapped lips one day, soft next day. Let's move on to my skincare, and I put everything in this Muji travel bag. It keeps all my skincare products upright so nothing really spills out. I am a big stickler for skincare, and I've got multiple products. I know it looks overkill, but the skin is the largest organ of the body, and I'm determined to take good care of it. I have my cleansers and my makeup removers, and I've got two toners. One is an exfoliating glycolic toner, and the other one is a calming toner for days when my skin gets sensitive from a rough beating. I've also got these hydration, and I'm loving the kombucha serum by Fresh. I also top it up with a clear toner in these bottles when I just spray it, and I can just pat the product into my face. I've also got multiple serums that I add on to day and night routines to give my skin a boost, and I also use these moisturizing creams from Fresh. I love this, that they're so travel size, and oil to really just lock all of that moisture in. I also can't forget eye cream and something for the zits if they pop up. Most importantly, protection all the time, and I'm using the ultraviolet Dream Screen at the moment. Over onto my supplements bag, I tend to overindulge during holidays and not consume enough fiber, so these are barley grass and they taste like matcha. I just add water to it and consume one a day. And I've also got my collagen pills, biotin, and multivites that I take on the daily. The last thing I have with me here is my carry-on pouch. Now this goes with me everywhere, and it rolls out to reveal all the different segments. I've got this section here for tissues and wipes, and also my glasses wipes. And over here it would be sanitizers, moisturizers, lip balms, Aquaphor, and then the top there, emergency plasters and medication. But I really want to show you this liquid plaster, and it's a transparent solution with a brush which you just put over the wound, and it seals the wound nicely. Well, I'm ready for my trip, and I will be back just before Christmas. But before that, I will be publishing my full home Christmas tour soon. Stay tuned for that. But don't forget to follow me on my socials to find out where I'm going for this Christmas winter trip, and hit that subscribe button, get the notification bell on, comment, and I'll see you real soon. Happy holidays, everyone. Bye!